Hello and welcome to the Teach Granny Tech tutorial. This tutorial is on how to install Microsoft Office or Word or PowerPoint, any one of them. So what you would like to do first is go on the Microsoft website and click sign in. So you can enter in an email, and using the email video that we made, you can create an email and put it in, and you can also create an account. Now once you're inside, you can just have the option to download the setup file. So I've done that here and I have the setup right here. Click yes, and it would take you onto this page right here where you would have to enter in your product key. Now the product key comes with every purchase of any Microsoft Office or Word or any kind of software whatsoever. So you would enter in that 25-character product key, click continue, and then you would just click finish and everything else. Install now. Done. Alright. This has been Teach Granny Tech Tutorials. Thank you.